Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your OKX account to access cryptocurrency trading features and higher withdrawal limits, follow these comprehensive steps for account verification. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the OKX website, or open the OKX mobile app on your device. Step 2. Log into your OKX account using your registered email address or phone number and password. Step 3. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Verification or Identity Verification from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Choose the level of verification you want to complete. OKX typically offers multiple verification levels, with higher levels providing increased trading limits. Step 5. Start with Level 1 verification by entering your personal information, including full name, date of birth, nationality, and residential address. Step 6. For Level 2 verification, you'll need to upload a government-issued ID such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Make sure the image is clear and all details are visible. Step 7. Complete the facial recognition step by taking a selfie as instructed. This helps OKX confirm that you are the person in the ID document. Step 8. Submit all required documents and wait for OKX to review your verification request. This process typically takes a few hours to a few days. Step 9. Check your email for confirmation once your account has been verified successfully. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.